What did you learn from this class?
We have a lot of fun learning this English class.
Okay, what do you like to do in this class?
I love to take part in the class.
How do you feel about this class?
I am not afraid to speak in English now.
What is your idea about Freestyle English Paradise?
My favorite English class because I am speaking English well.
Thank you. How do you feel about this class, English?
I like this class because I can learn spoken Spanish. Now I can speak in English.
Feel about this class?
This class is fun and
Can you tell me something about this class?
This class